So this is the first time I've done a video on 3D printing, and this was literally a 10-minute mock-up which I've then printed. And what it is I have my wireless charging plate. So this one's a Belkin. Don't know if you can read that, and the idea is that the plate would sit in here like so, and then the phone would just be able to sit directly in front of it, and we could just drop the phone in and out and charge it. Now, I have made a couple of small mistakes here, which I'll rectify and reprint. This curve here, I've actually done the wrong direction. It should be going inwards, and I've actually used the tool and bowed it outwards, so it needs to match that. So as a result, this doesn't quite sit correctly, and the power will not quite plug in because of it doesn't get enough depth on it. But anyway, that's just my first attempt. I'll share the files after I've modified it to suit correctly. I didn't use any supports, and you can see there's a little bit of stringing there or fraying as it did that edge, but not too bad for no supports at all. So I'll share those files in the links below.